Hey guys, what's up? It's time for a breaking news. The Samsung Galaxy S10 first ever live look is here in flesh, confirming all the stuff that we have known so far, along with a cool feature confirmation, more details on the first not Samsung phones, and also a huge good news. So lots to talk about, and let's just jump right into it. AvLeaks, one of the absolute best leakers on the planet, came up with this image of the Galaxy S10. Beyond One S10 is the flagship model that could start at $950. The front camera is on the right for all the S10 family, that's fully confirmed, and it's a 5.8-inch edge display. If you look on the sides, it's an edge display with extremely less side bezels. The front camera has a black circle around it to avoid the display light coming into the camera, and also it's going to have an animation when launching the camera when it's doing facial recognition, and users will be able to swipe on this circle to launch the camera if they want to. We can see the earpiece as well. The display goes all the way up compared to the S9. It is definitely a huge improvement. Then towards the bottom we got a chin that is actually on the level of the iPhone 10 and Oppo Find X, but since the bezels on the top and the sides are extra less, the chin does stand out a bit. But to me personally, this is the hottest Galaxy S10 model. AvLeaks further said that there will be a reverse wireless charging feature on the Galaxy S10 family. So we have a reverse charging feature that will allow the S10 family to charge other handset and watches wirelessly. This is something similar to Huawei Mate 20 Pro, so we talked about it before, and now I think it's definitely going to happen. And with this, it's a confirmation that all these S10 models will have a bigger battery size. So for the display here, it is a 5.8-inch screen. The icons are blurred for obvious reasons. We can still see the swipe gesture navigation implemented on the bottom, which shows One UI is up and running. So Galaxy S10 first live look is here. It looks even better in real life compared to any other renders out there. Again, it's not the best look that we were expecting. It is blurry and all that, but still it confirms every single detail that we wanted to see. Now the S10 family will have a special color finish, and Ice Universe explains that it's more than just a gradient finish of some kind. It's actually going to be a solid lustrous finish color, and he showed the picture of this green gem which has a greenish / black touch to it, so it looks pretty attractive, I would say. So the colors on the Galaxy S10 family will be similar to this color that you can see right now. Also, the Galaxy M30, the notch phone, is leaked again. Some exclusive specs information via All About Samsung. This is pretty exciting, guys. First it was the M20 with a 5000 mAh cell battery, and now it's M30, which is going to be even better specs wise, and also going to rock a 5000 mAh size. Other specs include an Infinity U display with a 6.38-inch display, 1080p HD resolution. The main difference with the M30 is that it's going to have a triple camera setup on the back, 13 plus 5 plus 5 megapixel, and on the front it's going to have a 16 megapixel camera. I would say the Galaxy M series is looking pretty damn promising, especially with that big battery size. I think a lot of people will love to see this mid-range budget phone in the market soon. So finally, another good news that we have here is the beta for Android 9.0 Pie One UI is coming on the Galaxy S8 and Note 8 family. So you won't have to wait till February to get the taste of the One UI. Normally, the betas that I have tested were pretty stable, so good news for the users of the S8 and Note 8. You will soon get One UI, and yeah, that's about it. We got the live look of the Galaxy S10 looking pretty damn good. Again, I want to hear your thoughts about this. Do you think it is the ultimate phone that you would want to have? I want to hear all your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.